To run search and indexing troubleshooter in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, select Personalize. Next, click or tap System. Scroll down the screen, tap Troubleshoot, click or tap Troubleshoot, and then select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down the screen, find Search and Indexing, and then tap Search and Indexing Run button. Find and fix problem with Windows Search. Select Run, detecting problem, and then follow given instruction. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.